Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your home address on your Gmail account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. By adding your home address will be visible not only on your Gmail account, but also other Google services that you use using your Gmail account. And this might include maybe the physical map or just the home address. To do this, first go ahead and log into your Gmail account. And once you are here, head over to your profile icon and click on it, and then click on manage your Google account. From here, you'll be redirected to this page where you can see details about your account. Go ahead and click on personal info. Under personal info, you can see we have a lot of details here, and among them is home address. As you can see, currently it is not yet set. I'll wish to set it by just clicking on it, and then here you have an option to add your address, so you can enter your address and the street as you wish. Alternatively, you can choose on map. So if you click on this, you'll be taken to map here, and now you can select the home address you want and then click on save, and it will be added here together with the location coordinates here. Once you're done, now go ahead and click on done, and as you can see, now it has been added. So that's how you can add home address on your Gmail account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.